Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn about the ES6 destructing assignment in JavaScript. Why we are using the destructive assignment in JavaScript? Because suppose we have an array, right? And I want to get the index 0, 1 or 2. What I'm going to write it? Like here you can see that the numbers are defined like this. Okay, so how I will get numbers 0 index, numbers 1, 2, 3, such kind like this one. Here I can see if I want to retrieve the values, so I will write numbers like this, zeroth index. So this is the old way that you can extract the values from the arrays. Now ES6 destructing assignment is basically you are assigning the values, right? So here you can see that I have the numbers first, second. So the first one is assigned to this one, second is assigned to this one, and by the help of the three dots and the whatever variable you want to define, it goes to the rest one. Okay, so let's copy and paste and just run the scripts. Okay, so here we have F12. Now we are going to reload this. Okay, so first example, this is object destructuring, right? We have a object, right? And I don't want to write the like a person dot name, person dot age, person dot city. So what I'm doing, I'm destructing it with the help of this one. So const variable. First, I want to name, age, and the city. Okay, and I'm assigning whole object to that one, right? And then I will console log name, age, and the city because name it will pick this one, age will this pick one, city will this pick one, this one. Okay, so this is called destructuring, and this is a nice way for assigning the variable to that value, right? Where the instead of like I'm going to add person dot name, person dot age, person dot city, so it uses the much more spaces like person dot name, person dot age. Instead of like I'm destructing it in a one way, I'm calling in a shorter form like name, age, and the city. Same with the array destructing. So here we have making it the first, second, and third, and the rest. Okay, so here you can see that by default I'm going to write number 0, number 1, which is not looking a nice way for writing the variables, right? So that's the reason we are using the destructing assignment in JavaScript. So it's very useful and very way to look like the clean code, right? So here you can see that the first, second, if I put the three dots, it will consider all of them as a rest numbers. If I want to skip, so I can just use this one, and if I want to skip here, you can see that I can add this just empty commas, right? Suppose I have skip of first, second, third. This first, second is written only, third is skipped, fourth is skipped, and if I add fifth, okay, and here I'm just copying the fifth part, right? So now you can see that fifth. Okay, so you can skip that values also at the same moment with the help of this slash commas. Okay, so this is how we are able to destruct assignment in the JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.